share a few words with us.
I was waiting for this. Good afternoon, friends. Whenever I come to Mandavi, even for review also, or workshop visits also, Passionate put me in this kind of situation every time. Every time I have to come, congratulate one or the other winners. So that's the biggest thing. More than visits, I think I have given the prizes here. Okay, anyway, jokes apart. Let me tell you one thing very clearly. You know, there is a competition always among many things. We do compete at many levels. But the dedication with when you compete in all India level, when you compete at the regional level, when you compete at the zonal level, that is the highest I have seen from Mandavi group, and especially from Mandavi Mangalore workshop. So it's a big hats off to you people. And you come as a saving grace also sometime to me. Because whenever any competitor is there from Mandavi Mangalore, I am very sure that this time at least one national winner will be from our Karnataka region. So that is one. I am very selfish. Another thing is that competition, when we are talking about the competition, competitions are for among 10 people also, competition is there among 100 people also, competition is among 1,000 people also, 10,000 people also. But how about a competition among 50,000 technicians, 20,000 service advisors all over India, and from them you become #1 winner and put Mandavi Motors Mangalore workshop name in all India. That's the biggest achievement one can even sense of. So for me, that is the biggest achievement. When at the factory level, when at the national level in Delhi, when the people must be thinking, yeah, where is Mangalore? Of course, Mangalore is known for two good things. One is for Aishwarya Rai and one for Shilpa Shetty. But in technical terms, Mangalore is known for Mandavi Motors. So, with this, I actually congratulate each one of you and give my sincere regards to everybody who has a sense of competition and they want to become #1 always. And past few years I have seen Passionate, every time I come here he says, sir, this time at least my 2 boys, 1 girl will be there as a national winner. At that time I am very sure, yes, it will be there. So please compete, win, and make your workshop proud, make Mandavi Motors more proud, and make Karnataka state more proud. Be winner always, work hard, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I request Mr. Sanjay Rai to have few words to our staff.
Good afternoon to everybody. In the first place, I would like to thank or rather congratulate Mr. Shankar and Oliver for bringing Gajendra Sheth to a different platform. Secondly, I would also like to congratulate all the other winners. Mr. Charan Kumar for technical, Mr. Harshandra and Bharat, and Ms. Avita D'Souza, and of course Oliver, all winners of the division round at this year. In fact, when Oliver and Gajendra were leaving from here, I just wished them, my 6th sense said they would scale the Mount Everest. And exactly that. So congratulations once again to Gajendra. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request our Senior General Manager, Mr. Pashwanath, to explain the path of success of Mr. Gajendra Sheth.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's a great occasion where we have n number of champions are here. Till date, I definitely has to remember every winner, every participant on this event. If you see from year 2000 till this now time, there are total 99 participants either in the regional competition or in the zonal competition or in the national competition. Give a big hand to them. And out of 99 participants, there are 10 winners. Give a big hand to them. And 26 of them has got runner-up position. Give a big hand. There are 4 categories in the competition. One is for the service advisor category, another is for the technician category, another for the CCM category, as well as now the express service category. If you see the regional and zonal and all India level together, in the regional competition, till now there are 67 people had participated. Out of that, winner is 8, as well as the runner-up 15 people. In the zonal level, participants are 22 and winners are 1 and runner-up 7. All India level, there are 11 participants and 2 winners and 4 runner-up. Give again. And for the last 4 years, either one or other category, we are able to reach national level every year consistently for the last 4 years. Give a big hand to them. And one more speciality this year, in every category, it may be the service advisor category, CCM category, technician category, express service category, all the 4 categories, we won the regional competition. Give again. And this is a record for the whole South India. No dealer till date, all the 4 categories won in one single year. That is what Mandavi. I am very, very proud about our all boys. We have a dream where all the 4 categories in one single year want to reach national competition. That is the dream. I am very sure in coming days there will be a lot of winners, and we have made one more decision for the last 4 years itself. Who reached a national competition, he will not be sent for competition, so that he will prepare another winner out of the team, so that not only outer team, second thing what we are doing is from the each outlet, each branch we want to develop. If you see this year, a regional competition winner, there is a Sulya branch, he is not available here, Mr. Charan. He has won the regional competition from the Sulya outlet. Like that we are developing from all the outlets, all the category to the national level. This is what our commitment. Again, regarding Gajendra Sheth, if you see, several times, yes, we have done a work. It's not easy. As our RSM has spoke to now, there are 3,000 participants in the regional competition. Filtering down to the 8 participants in the national level is not a joke. I know how difficult, how much they have worked. It's a very tough time. It's easy to tell, but 3,000 to filtering down to 8 people, and that again the winner. And again, out of the lot, nobody is able to start the vehicle. He is the only person is able to start the vehicle. That is the great. And for the last 6 years, as a corporate social responsibility, we are giving training to 8 polytechnics, 6 ITIs, and 8 engineering colleges. Even if you see 8 engineering colleges, last around 350 students has been trained. Out of that, now 3 graduate trainees we have taken for training as a regular job. They have been trained in all the respects, so that in the second level we are developing in the future, so that this is also first time in the dealership level we have taken this initiative. Please give a big hand. I would like to call upon that the 3 graduate trainees here. Please come on. Jitesh, one more. Both are mechanical engineer graduate trainees, sir. One is already completed almost 8 months now. 8 months. He's completed almost 3 months. So they have been trained mechanical, electrical, spare parts, customer care, almost every category, including denting, painting also. Personally, they have done it, so that in future we can have more champions also. At the same time, we can have the future second level managers also we have started developing. And one more thing, a unique system is in Mandavi, Mangalore, is actually skill enhancement and multi-skill development. Multi-skill development means initially all technicians used to go for the training and come back and do the same thing. Now what we have done is all electrical job, diagnostic job, they themselves has to do it. Because of that, wait time is reduced, faster delivery we are able to do it, and individually each technician now today is a complete technician where he can do mechanical, electrical and diagnostic work together. Because of that, downtime with the customer also is reduced, because if the previously what used to happen is mechanic goes to the customer place in case of defect, where he find okay it is not my work, electrical person has to come, then 2 times or 3 times we have to visit the customer place, unnecessary delay to the customer. Now one technician, if he goes to the customer place, as he is capable of doing the both, he is able to do at one shot. That is also enhance image of Mandavi today. Because of that, we are able to reduce the wait time and we are able to deliver the vehicle faster with less defects. This is what we want to do. In other branches also we are now started developing, but definitely it will be done over a period of 1 year. We will be 100% through with that. So with this, actually once again I would like to congratulate all the winners, all the silver masters as well as the trainers. In case of trainers, I would like to put a word. Today Oliver Fernandez, he is having a very good name even in the outside educational institutions. He has been very well recognized. Today in terms of training, it is not only the Oliver, the practical trainer, Mr. Gajendra Sheth also put effort. Also Mr. Ashodhar also has put a lot of effort. And also Mrs. Shailaja as well as Dipali. Today they also put a lot of effort in developing the national level leaders. In the spare parts, again the first time, last time Vishwanath Bhatta came in the national level. I am very sure he will develop the next round person to the national level next time. Once again, wish you, all of you, best of luck in the future. And we will, as RSM told, we will look forward national level winners in each category in the coming year. Thank you.